promotion and oath-taking is not just a reflection of our individual efforts, but also a tribute to those who guided, mentored, and supported us throughout our journey in the Philippine National Police. Foremost, thank you, Lord, for your guidance and blessing that made this promotion possible. To our superiors, our acting chief RPRNB, Police Colonel Percival R. Zori Yasur, former Chief R1, Police Colonel Rodel A. Pastor, thank you for your trust and confidence. Your leadership has been a source of inspiration, pushing us to always strive for excellence. To our colleagues, our office mates, my Manila Police District family,